Hello friends, IBPS SO prelims paper number 49 explanation quantitative aptitude. Look at question number 101 onwards. Number of vehicles manufactured by two companies during 6 years. Company P, Company Q. Company P triangle shape, Company Q square shape. Years are 2008 to 2013. Out of the number of vehicles manufactured by Company P in 2012, Company P 2012 240,000. 15,000 pieces were found defective. Their non-defective are 225. And out of the number of vehicles manufactured by Company Q in 2013, to 10,000. 10,000 pieces were found defective, means non-defective are 200. What is the respective ratio of the non-defective vehicles manufactured by Company P in 2012 and Q in 2013? 25 9 times, 25 8 times, 9:8 is your answer. In the year 2014, there was an increase of 30% in the number of vehicles manufactured by Company P as compared to the number of vehicles manufactured by the same company in 2009. 2009 Company P 190 increased by 30% means 57 increases, total 247,000. Fifth option. What is the difference between total number of vehicles manufactured by Company P in 10, 11, 13? Company P in 10, 220, 11, 160, 380 plus 13, 320. 380 plus 320 means 700. And Company Q in 11, 12, 13. Company Q 120, 180, 300, 210, 510. Difference is 190. What is the percentage decrease in the number of vehicles manufactured by Company P from 10 to 11? Company P 2010 220, 2011 160. Percentage decrease means difference by more value. 60 by 220 into 100. 2 3s are 2 11s are 3 by 11. 1 by 11 means 9 1 by 11. 3 by 11 means 27 3 by 11. Average number of vehicles manufactured by Company Q over 6 years. Company Q over 6 years. 130, 100, 230, 160, 390, 390, 120, 510, 510, 180, 510, 180, 690, 690 plus 210, 900 by 6 years, 150 is the average. Quadratic equations. 10 into 27, 5 2 times, 9 3 times, 5 3s are 15, 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 15 will give us 33. Finally minus 18 minus 15. Minus 18 by 10 means 9 by 5. Minus 15 by 10 means minus 3 by 2. 5 18s are 90, 10 9s are 90. 10 plus 9 will give us 19. Finally minus 10 minus 9. Minus 10 by 5 means minus 2. Minus 9 by 5. Minus 2 minus 9 by 5. Greater than, equal, greater than, greater than. X greater than or equals to y. 3 7s are 21. 21 1s are 21. Minus 21 minus 1 will give us minus 22. Finally plus 21 plus 1. 21 by 3 means 7, 1 by 3. 13 7s are 91. Minus 13 minus 7 will give us minus 20. Finally plus 13 plus 7. Less than, equal, less than, x less than or equals to y. 12 ones are 12, 4 threes are 12, minus 4 plus 3 will give us minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 will give us minus 1. Finally, plus 4 minus 3. 4 by 12 means 1 by 3. Minus 3 by 12 means 1 by 4. 20 20s are 400. 25 16 times also 400. Minus 25 minus 16 will give us minus 41. Finally, plus 25 plus 16. 25 by 20 means 5 by 4. 6 by 20, 3 by 10. 5 by 4, 3 by 10. Less than, greater than, no relation is your answer. Product of fruits is negative, answer is no relation. 24 6 are 144, 16 9s are 144. 16 plus 9 will give us 25. Finally, minus 16 minus 9. Minus 16 by 6 means minus 8 by 3. Minus 9 by 6 means minus 3 by 2. 12 3s are 36, 9 4s are 36. 9 plus 4 will give us 13. Finally, minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 by 12 means minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 12 means minus 1 by 3. Minus 32 minus 9. Minus 24 minus 3. Minus 12 minus 6. Minus 9 minus 2. X less than Y is your answer. Number series 17, 21, 25, 29 increase by 4, 33. 113 plus 33, 146. Into 1 plus 4, into 2 plus 9, into 3 plus 16, into 4 plus 25. 868 plus 25, 893 is your answer. Into 1 plus 2, into 2 plus 4, into 3 plus 6, into 4 plus 8. 536. 528 plus 8, 536. Difference 0, 6, 24, 60. 0 means 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, finally 5 cube minus 5, 120. 103 plus 120, 223, fifth option. Into 0.5 plus 0.5, sorry, into 0.5 minus 0.5. 27 into 0.5 minus 0.5. Into 1 minus 1. Into 1.5 minus 1.5. Into 2 minus 2. 33 minus 2 means 31 is your answer. Next. A started a business with an investment of 28,000. After 2 months, B joins with 20,000. And after another 2 months, C joins with 18,000. At the end of the 10th month from the start of the business, B withdraw 2,000, C withdraw 2,000. What is the respective ratio in which the profit should be distributed among A, B, C at the end of the year? All the investment commonly 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. A started with 28 rupees from beginning to ending means complete 12 months 28 rupees. B joined after 2 months with 20 rupees. At the end of 10th month B withdraw. After 2 months B joined, 10th month B withdraw means only 8 months 20 rupees. After that B withdraw 2 rupees means remaining 18 rupees for the remaining 2 months. C joined also with 20 rupees. C joined with 18 rupees, not 20. C joined with 18 rupees. After another 2 months, B joined after 2 months. Again after 2 more months, C joined. Means total after 4 months, C joined. At the end of 10th month, C withdraw. 4 months, C joined. 10th month means only 6 months, 18 rupees. After 6 months, again C withdraw 2 rupees. Out of 18, withdraw 2 rupees, remaining 16 for the remaining 2 months. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 six are 28 6 times 168. 80 plus 18 98. Sorry, 24 is 80 plus 18. 18 threes are 54 plus 16 70. 7 24 times, 7 14 times, 7 10 times, 2 12s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. 12 is to 7 is to 5 is your answer. The speed of the boat in still water is 5 times of the speed of the current. It takes 1.1 hours to row to point B from point A downstream. The distance between point A to B given as 13.2 kilometers. How much distance will it cover in 312 minutes? So 312 is 13 multiple. Then your answer also 13 multiple. First option no. Second option no. Third option no. Fifth option no. Fourth option is your answer. 13 multiple is your answer. In a primary school, the average weight of the male students given as 65.9 kg and the average weight of the female students given as 57.9 kg. If the average weight of all the students is 60.3 kg, male students are 66, what is the number of female students? 65 minus 60, 5.6. 60 minus 57, 3. 0.3 minus 0.9 means minus 0.6, 2.4. 8 3s are 8 7s are. Males are 66. 3 parts value 66. Then 1 part value 22. 22 7 times 140 plus 14, 154 is your answer. Number of females are 154. Next, a dealer marked the price of an item 40% above the cost price. So if cost price is 100%, MRP 140%. Why? Because 40% above the cost price. Once he gave successive discounts of 20% and 25% to a particular customer. First 20% discount out of 140. 20% means 28 discount given, remaining 112. On this again 25% means 1/4, 28. 112 minus 28. 12, 84. So final selling price is 84%. As a result, he incurred a loss of 448. Cost price is 100. Selling price is 84. There is a loss of 16%. That 16% value given as 448. At what price did he sell the item to the mentioned customer? Means selling price is how much? 84% is how much? 4 4 times, 4 112 times. 4 21s are 84, then 112 into 21. 21 2s are 42, 4 2. 21 1s are 21 plus 4 25, 2 5. 21 plus 2 23, 2352. Second option is your answer. 24 men can complete a piece of work in 15 days. 2 days after the 24 men started working. All 24 men started working. After 2 days, 4 men left. Out of 24 men, 4 men left means remaining 20 men can do the remaining work in how many days? 4 6 4 6 4 5 15 6 90 is equal to 6 2 12 plus 5 d2. 90 minus 12 means 78. d2 is equal to 78 by 5. 15 3 by 5 days. Next. Sasi had a sum of money. 2/3 of the total money he invested in scheme A for 6 years and rest of the money he invested in scheme B for 2 years. Okay, total 2/3 of the total money means, let's imagine total money 300%. In scheme A, 2/3 of the money means 200%. Remaining in scheme B means 100%. Scheme A for 6 years, scheme B for 2 years. Scheme A offers simple interest at a rate of 12% per annum. For 1 year 12%, 6 years 72% of principal, 72% of 200 means 144% is the interest. And scheme B offers compound interest at a rate of 10% per annum. For 1 year 10%, 2 years compound interest is 21%. If the total amount obtained from both the schemes together is 2790, total amount means scheme A 344%, this is 121%. Total amount 344 plus 121, 300, 100, 400, 40, 20, 60, 465% value they given as 2790. What was the total amount invested by him in schemes A and B together? 300% is equal to how much? Five nines are 45, 5 threes are 15. 5 nines are 45, 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 25, remaining 29. 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40. 31 3 times. 31 ones are 31, remaining 248, 31 8 times. So 1800 is your answer. 1800 is your answer. The radius of a cylinder is 5 meters more than its height. If the curved surface area of the cylinder is 792, what is the volume of cylinder? So volume of cylinder means 11 multiple is your answer. Pi r square h. 11 multiple is your answer. First option no. Second option no. Third option no. Fourth option no. Fifth option is your answer. Ashok left from place A at 8 am and Rakul left from place B at 10 am. Place A, place B. At 8 am he left. At 10 am he left. After 2 hours, 10 am. The distance between place A and B given as 637 kilometers. A and B distance given as 637 kilometers. If Ashok and Ratul are traveling at a speed of 39 kmph, 47 kmph, 39 kmph and 47 kmph. At what time will they meet? First person started at 8 am, second person started at 10 am, means 2 hours after the first person. In this 2 hours, first person already had some distance. In 1 hour 39, 2 hours 78 kilometers is over out of 637. So remaining distance is 637 minus 78. So 37 minus 78 minus 37 means 41. 600 minus 41 means 559. Remaining distance is 559 kilometers. That 559 kilometers, both the persons are covering in opposite direction from 10 am onwards. So opposite direction means relative speed is addition, 39 plus 47. So 559 by 86. 43 2 times. 43 13 times. After 6.5 hours, both the persons will meet each other. From 10 am onwards, 6.5 hours means 4:30 pm. 4:30 p.m. The respective ratio between Paru's present age and Rohit present age is 7:5. Paru and Rohit 7:5. The sum of their ages after 5 years from now will be 94. After 5 years, 94 means at present 84. 94 minus 10. 2 persons are there. 5 years, total 10 years. We need to subtract. 94 minus 10 means 84. 84 in the ratio of 7:5. 7 plus 5, 12 parts value 84. 1 part value 7. 5 sevens are 35. 7 sevens are 49. Rakul and Parul. After how many years Rohit age will be equal to Paru's present age? Rohit age will be equal to Paru's present age. Paru present age 49. Rohit 35. After 14 years only, Rohit is equal to Paru's present age. $35 kg of sandal powder type A, which cost 614 rupees per kg, was mixed with certain amount of another type of sandal powder type B. Certain amount means X kg, which cost him 695 rupees per kg. Then the mixture was sold at 767 per kg and 18% profit was gained. By selling at 767, there is a profit of 18%. 18% profit means selling price 118% is equal to 767. Cost price of the mixture 100%. Cost price of the mixture 100%. 59 2 times, 59 1 time, 59 remaining 177, 59 3 times. 650 is the cost price of the mixture. What was the amount of type B sandal powder? 695 minus 650 means 45. 650 minus 614 means 36. 9 5s are 9 4s are. 5 parts value 35 kg, then 1 part value 7 kg, 4 parts value 4 7s are 28 kg is your answer. Second option is your answer. Next. Distribution of total number Distribution of total number of cellular phones, both Nokia and Samsung, sold by 6 stores in October. Total number 11,200. Respective ratio of the number of Nokia phones to Samsung phones. What is the central angle corresponding to the number of cellular phones sold by store S? Store S 26%. Has 1% value 3.6 degree. 26% means 26 into 3.6. Answer ends with 6. 2 options here. In those 2 options, go for 9 multiple. Second option. Next. What is the average number of Nokia cellular phones sold by PRST together? PRST. P 14%, R 18%, S 26%, T 20%. Nokia cellular phones. See, P 14%, 4 plus 3, 7 parts value 14%. See, P, Q, R, S, T, U, total P 14%, Q 10%, R 18%, S 26%, T 20%, U 12%. Ratio between Nokia and Samsung. Nokia and Samsung. In P ratio given as 4:3, 7 parts value 14, 4 parts value 8, 3 parts value 6. Q 4 parts value 10, 1 part value 2.5, 3 parts value 7.5%. R 9 parts value 18, 5 parts value 10, 4 parts value 8. S 13 parts value 26, 1 part value 2%, 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12%. T 5 parts value 20, 1 part value 4%, 4 parts value 16%. U 11 plus 10, 21 parts value 12%, 21 parts value 12%, 21 parts value 12%, then 1 part value 12 by 21. So it is not cancelling here. 3 4s are 3 7s are 1 part value 4 by 7. 11 parts means 44 by 7%. 10 parts means 40 by 7%. That is U. Coming to the question here. What is the average number of Nokia cellular phones sold by PRST? P 8%, R 10 18%, S 14 18 plus 14 32, T 4%, 32 plus 4 36. Average means by 4. 36 by 4 means 9%. Has 1% value 112. 9% value 9 into 112 1008. 1008. What is the respective ratio between number of Nokia cellular phones sold by store S 14%, number of Samsung cellular phones sold by stores T and U together? Store S 14%, Samsung T and U 16 plus 40 by 7. 14 is to 7 16s are 112 plus 40 152 by 7. 2 7 times 276 times 49 is to 76. 49 is to 76. Number of Nokia cellular phones sold by store R 10%. Is what percent more than the total number of Samsung cellular phones sold by stores P and Q together? 6 plus 2.5 8.5. 10 8.5. Percentage more means difference by less value. 1.5 by 8.5 into 100. 5 3 times 5 17 times. 300 by 17. 17 1s are 17 130. 17 7s are 119. 17 11 by 17%. Next, total number of cellular phones sold by store Q 10% is increased by 15% from October to November, and total number of cellular phones sold by store T increased by 5% from October to November. What was the total number of cellular phones sold by Q and T together in November? First of all, store Q increased by 15%. So store Q it is 10%. So 10% means 1120. This 1120 increased by 15%. So 10% value 112, 5% value 56, 112 plus 56, 168 increases. Total store Q became 8, 8, 1288. Next, store T increased by 5%. Store T it is 20% initially, 2240. Increased by 5% means 56 increases. 2296. Then complete 2296 1288. 3584 is your answer. 3584 is your answer. Next, caselet. Caselet. Study the following information carefully to answer the question. There are 3 engineering specializations offered by College A, namely Computer Science, Electrical, Mechanical, and 2 management specializations, namely HR and Marketing. So, engineering specializations are CSC, Electrical, Mechanical, and management specializations are HR and marketing. Next, total number of students studying in engineering specializations is total number of students studying engineering specialization is 2/3 of the total number of students studying in college A. Engineering means these three streams. So let's imagine college A 300%. In this 2/3 means this is 200%, and these two together are 100%. Total number of students studying computer science engineering is 32% of the total number of students studying engineering specializations. 32% of 200, 64%. Total number of students studying mechanical is 2400. 2400, which is 608 more than the number of students studying computer science. Then computer science nothing but 2400 minus 608, 1788. 64% value 1788, then 1% value 64 64 2 times 128, 128 left with 508. So 64 2 times 128, 508. 64% value 1788, then 1%, let's calculate. 1788 by 64. 4 16s are 4 4s are 16. 18 means 4 4s are 16. 4 7s are, just a minute. This is 2400, which is 608 more than only 608. 2400 minus 608. 1800 minus 8, 1792. This is 1792, not 1788. So 64 2s are 128, left with 128, 2, 49, 512. 512 means 8 times. Yes. 1% value 28, 1% value 28, then 100% value 2800. This is 5600. Out of 5600, already 2400 is over, 1792 is over, so remaining belongs to electrical. 56 minus 24 means 4200 minus 1792. 56 minus 24, 50 minus 20, 3200. 3200 minus 1792 means 1408. 1408 is electrical. All these three courses together 5600. Next, HR and marketing. Number of students studying marketing is 112 more than the number of students studying HR. So 2800 minus 112 means 2688. Half of 2688 is 1344, and this is 112 extra 1456. Marketing 1456. These are the total number of students. What is the average number of students studying computer science, electrical and marketing? CSC, electrical, marketing. CSC 1792, electrical 1408, marketing 1456. 4656 by 3. 4656 by 3 average. 3 15s are 45. 1552 is your answer. 1552. Total number of students in college A 56 plus 28, 8400. What is the respective ratio between the number of students studying mechanical and electrical engineering together? Mechanical, electrical. 24 plus 14, 3808. And the number of students studying marketing 1456. 1, 4, 5, 6. We need to find the ratio here. 8 4s are 32, remaining 60. 8 7s are 56, 48. 8 6s are 48. 8 1s are 8, 65. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 8s are 291 times. 7 13 times. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 34 is to 13. Total number of students studying marketing specializations 1456 is what percentage of the number of students studying mechanical engineering, mechanical 2400. 1456 is what percent of 2400. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 8 3 times, 8 1s are 8 8s are 8 2s are 62 by 3%. Approximations. X minus 1936 divided by 16 plus 639 minus 585 is equal to 2275. 2275. 16 ones are 16, 33, 16 twos are 16 ones are. X minus 121 plus 15 39. 15 39 54. 2275. 120 minus 50 70 minus 1 plus 4 minus 3 67. So minus 67 move into right side plus 67. 2342. Third option is your answer. 42 square minus 18 square. A square minus B square. 42 plus 18 60. 42 minus 18 24 by X. 13 square 169 minus 139 means 30. X equal to 48. Fifth option is your answer. 105% of 1200, 1260 plus 12% of 12% of 2350, 12% of 2350, 10% to 235, 10% to 235, then 2% means 1% 23.5, double 47. 12% value 282 minus 22% of X is equal to 1421. 1421. 1200, 200, 1400, 1400 gets cancelled. 60 plus 82, 142 minus 21 means 121 is equal to 22% of X. So approximately 22, 5 times 550, approximately X value 550. Square root of 2025 means 45, 256 means 16, 400 means 20 into root X, 34 into 40. 4 10 times, 4 5 times, 4 4 times. 180 plus 5 root X is equal to 340. 5 root X is equal to 340 minus 180, nothing but 160. 532 times X is equal to 32 square means 1024. 25 square 625 plus 34 into 20 680 divided by 68 minus 89 is equal to X. 68 10 times 625 plus 10 635 minus 89 635 minus 89 635 minus 100 535 plus 11, 535 plus 11, 546. Approximately fifth option. 17 6 are 102. 102 6 times 612 minus 3 3s are 9x is equal to 459. Then 9x is equal to 600 minus 450 means 150. 12 minus 9 means 3. 153. 17. Data sufficiency. Neeraj invested certain amount in two schemes A and B for 2 years in the ratio of 3:5 respectively. Scheme A and B offer compound interest, compounded annually, simple interest respectively. What is the amount invested in scheme A? Scheme A and B 3:5, 300% and then 500%. That's we need to calculate. 300% is how much? Rate of interest offered by scheme A is 20% per annum and the rate of interest offered by scheme B is 25% lesser than that offered by scheme B. Scheme A 20%, scheme B 25% less means 15%, but not possible with first statement. Amount of interest accrued from scheme B is more than the amount of interest accrued from scheme A by 900. By combining 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. Scheme A compound interest per 1 year 20% means 2 years 44% of 300 minus 30% of 500% is equal to 900 rupees. So by using this 1 and 2 together we can say answer is how much? 1 and 2 together are required. Next, by how many years Rasika younger than her brother Sunil? Rasika Sunil. Ratio between Rasika's present age and Sunil's present age after 4 years is 5:7. Not possible. Ratio between Rasika's age 4 years ago and Sunil's present age is 2:3. By combining 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. By combining 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. Two friends X and Y starts running towards each other at the same time from A and B respectively and meet after 135 minutes. At what speed X is running? Towards each other means opposite direction. Time given, but the distance I don't know, speeds also we don't know. Point B is 45 kilometers away from point A and the speed of X is 150% of the speed of Y. A to B distance given as 45 kilometers. Speed of X is 150% of speed of Y. X and Y speeds ratio 3:2. They together meet in 135 minutes. Means in 135 minutes they together completes 45 kilometers. Both are started at same time. At what speed X is running? Okay. Distance covered by Y is 18 kilometers. Distance covered by Y is 18 kilometers. By combining 1 and 2, here also we got the answer. Out of 45, Y covered 18. It means the remaining distance was covered by X only. 27 kilometers X. Then we can say what is the speed is how much. Speed ratio 3:2. Time ratio 2:3. Time ratio 2:3. Total time we know. Entire speed. Yes, both are required. What is the quantity of milk in 80 liters of mixture of water and milk? 8 liters of the mixture is replaced by equal quantity of water. The ratio of the milk and water in the mixture becomes 27:13 respectively. Initial mixture is 80 liters. Suppose in that milk is X, Then water became 80 minus X. 8 liters of the mixture is replaced. 8 liters means 10% is drawn. So remaining 90% of the milk is there and 90% of the water also there. Why? Because 10% is drawn and replaced with 8 liters of water. Then the ratio became 27:13. From this you can find what is X value. 1 alone we can say the answer. 16 liters of the mixture is replaced by equal quantity of milk. The ratio of milk and water in the mixture now become 4:1. 2 also we can say the answer. Either 1 or 2. What is the cost of painting two adjacent walls of a hall having no door or window at the rate of 450 rupees per meter square? Two adjacent walls means you should aware of length, breadth, height, then only we can say the answer. Length and breadth are in the ratio of 3:2. No use. Perimeter of the hall is 50 meters and the height is 1/4 of the perimeter. By combining 1 and 2 together we can say the answer. Next table chart. Study the table and answer the given question. Total exports of 6 countries over 5 years. Exports of 6 countries PQRSTU. 5 years are 98 to 2002. Profit equal to export minus import. But here given only exports. What was the profit of all countries together in 2002? If the total imports of all the countries was 385 crores. 2002. 25 65. 90. 90 110. 25 65 90 110 200 100 300 390 390 390 plus 120 390 plus 120 510. Exports imports are 385, remaining is profit 125 profit. If the respective ratio of the export to import of country S and country U is 3:2 and 4:1 in the year 1998, what is the total imports of country S and U together? 1998 S U. 1998 S 45, U 24. These are the exports. Export to import 3:2 4:1. 3:2 4:1. 3 parts value 45, 1 part value 15, 2 15s are 30. 4 parts value 24, then 1 part value 6. Total imports are 36. If the export of country P in the year 2003 is 20% more than the total exports of country Q in 2001 and export of country T in 2000. First of all, country Q in 2001, country Q in 2001 50, country T in 2000 55, 50 2001 50, country T 2055, 50 55 105. This is 20% more means 21 extra 126. Then what was the profit of P in the year 2003 if its imports were 92? So 126 minus 92, 34. What is the percentage increase in the exports of all the countries together from year to 1999 to 2001? 1999 to 2001. So 99 all countries, 2001 all countries. 25 55 80 80 40 120 120 60 180 230 270. That is in 1999. Next 2001 45 15 60 60 90 150 50 200 300 375. Percentage increase means difference by less value, difference 105, less value 270 into 100. 335 times 390 times 350 by 9. 9 3s are 27, left with 80. 9 8s are 72. 9 3s are 27, left with 80. 9 8s are 72, 80. 38.88. Approximately fourth option. The last but not the least. See once again. By what percent is the average export of country T over all the given years? Country T over all the given years. 60, 50, 110. 110, 110, 220. 220, 100, 320. 320 plus 55. 375. 375. Is average export of country R over all the years? Country R. 55, 65. 120. 120, 50. 170. 170, 70. 240. 240, 90. 330. Yes, correct. Okay. So difference is 45 by 330 into 100. 3 11s are 3 15s are 150 by 11. 11 1s are 11. 40. 11 3s are 33. 13 7 by 11%. 13 7 by 11%. Third option is your answer. Thank you.